Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 18. In a Vale. I wandered down a narrow path, sunlight spilling through trees, feeling the vale wrap around me like an old friend. Birds trilled overhead, water gurgled in a hidden brook, and the air smelled of moss and earth, sweet and damp. I paused to rest on a fallen log, watching shadows dance and thinking how life here moves slow, patient, like stories passed from hand to hand. Villagers tended gardens. Children chased dogs, and the distant church bell marked hours without hurry. I picked a few wildflowers, letting the colors remind me that even small things matter. Afternoon stretched, clouds drifting lazily, and I realized that every tree, every stone, every smile shared here holds a kind of quiet magic. Evening came soft, mist curling through the hills, and I walked home slowly, carrying the vale's calm like a secret in my pocket. Now listen to the poem. I wander down a shaded way. Vale embraces, soft and grey. Birds trill high, brook gurgles low, moss and earth sense that flow. Resting on a fallen log, shadows dance in misty fog. Villagers tend gardens bright, children run, hearts light. Wildflowers plucked, colors small, remind me that they matter all. Clouds drift slowly, hours pass, trees and stones hold magic's mass. Evening folds the hills in mist, calm is carried, softly kissed.